Hello everyone, in today's video we'll be showing you some intense moments of when people messed with the wrong cops. Watch as these situations quickly escalate and karma strikes back instantly. Get ready for some surprising outcomes. The police received a call about an agitated man at a bank. Upon arriving, the officers tried to approach and persuade the man to cooperate. However, he resisted and pushed the police, leading them to immediately use a taser to subdue him. Resisting the law only makes things worse.
Get on your belly. Get on your belly. Get on your belly. Get on your belly. Put your hands behind your back.
A simple stop quickly escalated when the man refused to cooperate and ran. The police ordered him to stop, but he continued to resist. To prevent further resistance, the police had to use a taser to subdue and arrest him. Resisting the law only takes things further than you think.
Got on you? Better let me know now. Get up.
Sounds good, okay? These officers are going to take care of you, all right? Okay. Come on up. Get out of the car. Open the door.
When asked to step out of the car for a search, she did not comply. The police requested a canine unit to sniff for drugs in the car, but she still refused to cooperate. The situation escalated when she continued to defy orders, leading the police to smash the car window to arrest her. This is a clear example of how not cooperating with the police can lead to serious consequences.
And then you'll be under arrest and you will go to county jail. Do you understand? is this? Open the door. Thank you. You're under arrest, ma'am. Need to step out of the vehicle.
What did I do?
Need to step out of the vehicle immediately, ma'am. You're under arrest. Ma'am?
Please don't hurt me.
You're under arrest, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle.
I just got off of work.
You're under arrest, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. You're under arrest, ma'am. Step out of the vehicle. I gave you multiple warnings. Okay, well, that's another charge. It's failure to provide information to a police officer. Okay, so what's your name? Let's calm down. What's your name?
What did I do wrong?
I just told you committed a traffic infraction. I asked for your driver's license, proof of insurance. You failed to give it to me. So failure to identify is a charge. You can be arrested for it.
What did I do
Failure,
wrong?
obstruction of justice is also a charge. You can be arrested for it.
Why are you
What's your last
arresting
name?
me? Well, you tell me where you're detained.
Let's put it in the back of my car. What's your idea?
The police arrived after receiving information about a man who was abusing a family member. When asked to cooperate, he suddenly resisted and tried to flee, which escalated the situation. Fortunately, the police were able to quickly subdue him. The law always prevails, no matter how hard you resist.
Buddy, come here for me real quick.
A tense situation unfolded at an intersection in Danville when officers were called to investigate a man throwing rocks at moving cars. He ignored all police orders and escalated the situation when he pulled out a weapon to threaten the officers. The police were forced to take strong action against him.
Drop the knife! Drop the knife! Tom, what's not fired? Tom, you see what's up? Tell me what's up. Drop the knife. Oh, drop the knife. Drop the knife! Tom, what's not fired?
What are you doing?
A drunk man standing in the middle of the street refused to cooperate when asked by the police. His resistance only made the situation more tense. The law requires all citizens to cooperate, and resisting only leads to one outcome.
Keep him there. Hey, keep him there. Keep him in the air. Keep him in the air. Turn around. Turn around. Get out. 11:21. Send a squad out too.
Stand up.
Bleed from the mouth.
Okay. Did you get in an accident?
No, I took him to the ground. He was fighting with me.
Okay. Walked loose from the ground.
Yeah.
Okay. So, we checked him for weapons.
I'm gonna take a look at your face, brother. Good idea before I sit down. I don't think so. It doesn't look wet.
A highly dangerous situation occurred in Minnesota when a police officer faced a suspect wielding a knife. As the officer opened the car door, the suspect immediately charged at him, making the situation even more intense. He will soon regret his actions. A tense situation unfolded at the Lakewood police station when the deputy heard continuous banging noises from the parking lot. Upon approaching, the suspect suddenly approached the officer with a knife, and the situation became critical, forcing the police to fire to subdue him. The law will not show leniency towards reckless behavior.
Put your hands to your side now. Put your hands up to your side. Yeah, that's it. Start CPR, I guess. Hey partner, how you doing? What's that? But you gotta take your hands out of your pocket for me, please? No, you're not moving right now. You understand? Want a good taste? Gone! Put the gun down! Put the knife down! Right now! Put the knife! Shots fired. Right now! Put the knife! Shots fired.
Copy, shots fired.
Yeah, send me medics right now.
Hey, Tyler.
A failed robbery at the National Guard Air Station in Salem escalated when Matthew Wong pulled a knife after being confronted by the police. Despite being warned and tasered twice, Wong continued to charge at the officers, forcing Sergeant Oxenrider to open fire. Resisting the law only makes your outcome worse.
You got a warrant for your arrest, Tyler. For what? For failure to appear to court. Shots fired! Shots fired! Throw your hands up, please! He got me in the neck.
My proof that I'm valid and my insurance and all that. I just wanted to make sure you guys.
Go ahead and step out of the vehicle for me.
A woman named Thomas was asked by the police to exit her vehicle after being suspected of a traffic violation. Although she claimed her driver's license was still valid, the police informed her that it had been suspended in Ohio. She refused to cooperate, rejected leaving the car, and reacted aggressively, escalating the situation. In the end, she was arrested for resisting, still refusing to comply with the police's request.
I'm trying to ask why
I told you I'll explain that to you when you step out of the vehicle.
I don't feel comfortable stepping out of the vehicle.
Okay, please step out of the vehicle. You're being placed under arrest. How's that?
For what?
Driver while license suspended on the
My,
you.
no, my license is not suspended. I just tried to show you that.
Your license still suspended out of Ohio. You're
No, I just tried to show you that.
I will look at that. Okay, as of right now, you're being detained. How's that?
It's serious. My license is valid, but I'm not stepping out of the vehicle. Please don't touch me. Hey, please don't touch me. Hey, what the f***?
Stand up. Get on your back.
Put your hands up like that. You
You're
guys,
now being charged with resisting.
I'm not resisting. Are you serious? I'm trying to show you what is going on. No, please don't touch me.
Will you tell me where I'm detained?
In the end, messing with the wrong cops never ends well. Instant karma always catches up. What do you think about these situations? Should the police have acted differently? Drop your thoughts in the comments.